Monkey here, and guess what? Today I will be showing you guys my brother's cool aluminum furnace thing. Oh! Wow! 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 Whoa! It's like fireworks! But it's probably not supposed to be like fireworks. Whoa! That's neato Frito. Ooh, aw. No more fireworks. That was pretty darn epic. Ooh. Fuego. Fuego. Oh my goodness gracious. That's what he's using to power it. Oh! Isn't that so neato Frito? It works again! Woo! Wow! That's so neato Frito. Look at that! Whoa! Is that amazing, Mr. Schnauzer? Yeah, I bet it is.
Oh, it's melting my focus stick.
Uh-oh. Is it melting the aluminum yet? That is such a neato Frito machine.
Zane, don't stand anywhere near that.
My name's Anakin Monkey.
Sorry.
That is so neato Frito. Whoa. 360. Oh. Don't look for a tutorial on my next project video because there won't be one. I'm not allowed to wear this mask out there. So I'm not going to. Is that okay?
Melt your face off.
What?
It'll melt your face off.
Please stop.
I don't want my face melted off, so I'm not going to wear it out there with the fireworks. I'll wear my regular face, okay?
I don't know where this is.
That's good.
Take it off.
Bye. Alright, I'm not allowed to wear my Bernie mask out there because Mr. Dadman said so. But I will show you something really cool. This is really awesome since it's awesome. Wait, let me turn this light on, okay? Light. Light. Light, okay. Now there is light. So watch this, professionalist. Isn't that so neato Frito? I know it is, right? Look at this though.